Now for constructing the Mars Ashtak Varga, we have to see that Mars is beneficial in 3rd, 5th, 6th, 10th and 11th houses from Sun. It is beneficial in 3rd, 6th and 11th houses from Moon. It is beneficial in 1st, 2nd, 4th, 7th, 8th, 10th and 11th houses from himself. It is beneficial in 3rd, 5th, 6th and 11th houses from Mercury. It is beneficial in 6th, 10th, 11th and 12th houses from Jupiter. It is beneficial in 6th, 8th, 11th and 12th houses from Venus. It is beneficial in 1st, 4th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th and 11th houses from Saturn. It is beneficial in 1st, 3rd, 6th, 10th and 11th houses from Lagna. Now, one of the common application of Mars Ashtak Varga is to find out number of siblings that you have, because Mars signifies the siblings. Okay, so in the 3rd house from Mars, if you see the number of planets, okay, the number of planets over there signifies the number of brothers and sisters. Now you have to look for the planets that are actually contributing to that house. Okay, so if the contribution is coming from some inimical sign, some inimical planet, or some planet that gets debilitated over there, then we have to ignore that planet, and the remaining number of points represents the number of brothers and sisters. Again, you can find out the number of brothers, exact number of brothers and exact number of sisters based on the bindus contributed by the male planet or the female planet. For example, in this sample chart, you see there are 3 planets in 3rd from Mars. One is Saturn, third is Venus, and second is Venus, third is Sun. Okay, so no, sorry, these 3 planets are not over there, but they are contributing a bindu in that sign. Okay, now that sign is Capricorn. Now Capricorn sign is good for Saturn, is good for Mercury, Saturn's own sign, so it is good. Mercury is friend. Sun is the inimical planet to that, so it won't contribute any bindu. It won't. Its contribution will be neglected. Okay, so essentially we are left with 2, Saturn and Mercury, and for this purpose we do not consider them. We consider them to be male planet. So the native has 2 brothers. Okay. In another example, you see that Mars is there in Sagittarius, and the 3rd sign from this becomes Aquarius. Aquarius has 3 bindus, one by Lagna, second by Saturn, and third by Shukra, that is Venus. Okay. Now these 3 points, Saturn and Venus, they are obviously friendly to Aquarius. Lagna also we consider friendly to the Aquarius. The person has 3 siblings. Since Venus is the female graha, so he has actually 2 brothers and 1 sister. Okay. The most common use case for the Mars Ashtak Varga is to find out the auspicious time to purchase property, to invest in land and property, because Mars is Karaka of the land and property, that is the immovable properties. Okay. Also for purchasing gold and these jewelries, whenever Mars is moving through, is transiting the Rashi having the maximum number of bindus in Mars Ashtak Varga, then that transit becomes auspicious for purchasing immovable properties. Also, if you have Mars afflicted in your chart, then you can find out the direction in which you have to visit the temple of Lord Kartikeya. Kartikeya is the son of Shiva and Parvati, also called Skand. So you have to visit the temple of Skand in one of the direction based on the Ashtak Varga of Mars. Now the the way for calculating the direction is very similar to the other videos that we have seen in Sun, Moon, Ashtak Varga video, that you have to add up the points in Agni Rashis. Okay. Also, you have to add up the number of points in the Earthy signs, then the Vayu signs, and then the Jal Rashis. And if you find out the maximum number of bindus after summation. If the Jal Rashi has the maximum number of bindus, then he has to visit the Skanda temple in the north direction. If the Vayu Rashi has maximum number of points, then he has to visit the west direction. If the Agni Rashis have the maximum number of points, then he has to visit the east direction. And if the earthy signs have the maximum number of bindus after summation, then he has to visit the Skanda or Kartikeya temple in the southern direction. So that way, basically, if you have Mars afflicted in your chart, then visiting the corresponding temple in the relevant direction should subside the bad effects of Mars, or rather, it will increase the good effects of Mars. Okay.